Hi, I'm Hode Croston, the Hardy Product Manager, here to introduce the stunning new addition to the Ultralight series of reels, the Ultralight CA DD range. CA DD stands for Conical Arbor Disc Drag. The reel is available in two colourways, black and titanium in line sizes 3 through 7000 and titanium and gold in line sizes 3 through 10,000. All of the reels within the range are manufactured from bare stock 6061 aluminium and this stunning two-tone anodised design. A few of the key features of the reel include this very simple yet secure captive spool release system, which allows you to quickly change the spool without having any loose parts to lose. Left to right hand wind conversion, very simple. You simply rotate the bearing that's held underneath this locking nut on the inside of the cage. A couple of the other key features: we have a carbon composite multiple pad disc drag system, which is engaged from minimum to maximum within one 340 degree turn of the regulator. So what that means is you can go from zero setting to maximum in less than one turn. Very useful when you're fighting a hard fighting fish and you quickly want to put some pressure on it. Another key feature, and you can see on the back of the reel, are these colour coded indents. Basically this is here to give you a very quick visual reference to where the drag setting is. So if you're playing a big fish, you can quickly glance down at the reel and see that the drag regulator is set to have high drag force or very low. So it's a very quick, easy visual reference so you know how much drag you've got on the reel. Another key feature of this series is its ultra large arbor design. What that gives you is a number of things. Firstly, again, when playing a big fish, you can retrieve the line very quickly. So if that fish has run a long way away from you and you're desperately trying to get that line back onto the reel as it runs towards you, every turn of the handle brings in more line per revolution than a standard arbor reel. And finally, one of the often overlooked advantages of a large arbor reel is that large arbors don't suffer from something called drag gain quite as much. So what that means is when you're playing a big fish and it runs a long way and takes a lot of line, because the arbor of the reel is quite large, you don't significantly increase the drag as that fish gets further away from you. So all in all, the Ultralight CA DD series is an absolutely stunning piece of kit, perfectly suitable for chasing some of the biggest fish that swim, and is the perfect complement to all of our high performance fly rods.